My superstars, today we'll be talking about three online businesses to make money. All right, so there are lots of businesses you can do online to make money. But you see, my superstars, these three I'm about to mention are business ideas that are sought after by people. If you possess a certain skill, which I'll mention in this video, you'll be able to make loads and loads of money online. All right, your ability to make money online depends on the skill you possess. You need a skill, my superstars. You can't just make money online without having something to offer or something in exchange for money. So, in this video, I'll be telling you about just three hot business ideas you can do online and then make money. Number one on the list is owning a Facebook ads agency. Okay, so we're in the days where lots of vendors are online and they want to sell. They have so many social media presence, social media platforms on Facebook, Instagrams, and all that. And one of the greatest challenge they have is sales. Okay, they have the challenge of making sales. And the reason they do not make sales is because they do not meet their potential buyers. Their page is not put before their potential buyers or their target market. So that's where a Facebook ads agency comes in. Okay, as someone who owns a Facebook ads agency, you should be able to create Facebook ads or Instagram ads that can convert into sales. Yes, you need to be able to create ads that can target an audience that is unique to your vendor, which will in turn result in sales. Lots of people run Facebook ads and they do not make sales. So your ability to be able to create ads that is unique, that you have a good copywriting skill, okay, ads that can convert into sales is what will make you stand out. Okay, so if you don't know how to create art, you can come on YouTube. We have so many videos, so many channels that show videos on how to create art on Facebook. You can go ahead and watch them, okay, and follow through step by step and then go. There are also some people who offer courses and all that on how to create Facebook ads. Although in fact, as a matter of fact, just watch videos on YouTube. I'm sure that by the time you watch 3 or 4 videos, you'll be able to create ads that can convert and into sales. And from there, you set up a page, you advertise, and then lots of people will reach out to you to run ads for them. All right, my superstars. Number two on the list is video editing. My superstars, we are in the days where lots of people are making money online by opening Facebook pages, YouTube pages, and all that to create content. Lots of people are going into content as a full-time job. All right, so that's where you come in. Your ability to be able to edit videos is something that can give you money, because not everyone has the ability to learn the step-by-step process on how to edit videos and all that. Okay, so lots of business owners, lots of content creators need video editors. So possessing a video editing skill is one skill that can make you make good money online. All right, my superstars, we have various types of video editing. We have the small level, the primary level of video editing, that is the low level video editing, where you just edit videos and then post without anything special or all that. You edit video, make sure it flows, it makes sense and all that. While we have the next level of video editing, which is the high-tech video editing. Okay, that one involves editing videos and adding stunts, adding using some key editing tools like keyframes, like mask, like splice, okay, like different editing tools like that to make it exciting, intriguing. Okay, if you see videos where one person appears like a triplet and all that, those are all high-tech editing skills. Okay, So you could start with the low level type of editing where you just edit videos for content creators, for business orders, and still make money. But if you want to make more money and go beyond the little level to the high class type of level, then you have to learn the high tech type of video editing. But whichever, my superstars, video editing is a great skill that can enable you make money online. You can set up your page on social media platform as a video editor, and lots of people will reach out to you and send videos to you for you to edit. All right, my superstars. Okay, so number 3 on the list is social media management. All right, so there are lots of social media pages right now, social media pages owned by business owners, by actors, by entertainers, by different companies. Okay, and most of them do not know how to manage these pages, or as business owners, they're busy doing the work. That is production or procuring products, but they do not have time to attend to their social media pages. Okay, so as a social media manager, you manage these pages on behalf of your client. If it's a business owner, you answer to questions, okay, that will result in sales. You also create content as a social media manager for the business owner, contents that will drive sales to the business owner. And an entertainer or a celebrity, you answer to questions from fans and all that as a social media manager. Okay, that's where you hear things like handler. Okay, a handler handles pages on behalf of celebrities and all that. Okay, all right, so from there you get paid. You create contents, you give content ideas, okay, that will keep the page going and active and people engaging. All right, so these are the things you do as a social media manager. You schedule content, okay, you come up with ideas, answer questions. All right, that is just all there is to it. So owning a social media management agency online can enable you make good money online. You can manage page for clients in the country and even outside the country, no matter your location. All that is needed is your ability, your skill, and your expertise. That is all there is to it. All right, my superstar. So these three skills I have mentioned have the ability to produce 3 businesses. I have mentioned video editing, which is a great business you can do to make money. I have mentioned social media management, which is a great thing you can do to make money. And I've also mentioned Facebook ads agency. So these 3 businesses have the ability to make you money online. Which of them have you tried or will you be trying? My superstars, let me know in the comment section. And in the meantime, have you liked this video? Please hit the like button. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and then I'll get right back to you. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.